Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go over where you would add washer fluid or windshield washer fluid to your vehicle. So this is the reservoir for the windshield washer fluid. This is on the right hand side of the car, the passenger side, right up behind the front headlight. We've got the blue cap and it has the washer symbol on it. And so you're just going to pop this cap. You would pour your washer fluid of choice in here and fill it up. I mean, you can fill it visually as full as you want, and you fill it there. And then if this is completely empty, it will take about 3 liters, almost a full gallon of fluid, and to fill it up. And so fill it up, and then you should be able to have washer fluid spray out from your windshield wipers to clean your windows as you're driving down the road. Now, if this is full and you're pushing the button and it's not working, well then you're going to have to start looking into whether it's the pump itself. There's a pump that would be attached to the tank, to the reservoir here itself, or whether there's a relay or something that's gone bad. But if not, and it's all the way down and you hear the whine noise when you hit the button, well then this is where you would add your washing fluid to your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.